Okay, so today I'm going to talk about these two Amazon Echo devices you can install into your vehicle and the big difference between them. So sometime late last year, Amazon announced that they're going to come out with Echo Auto. Of course, they still haven't delivered that. I'm not sure what the delay is. Maybe they're still trying to manufacture it. Maybe there's a software issue. Who knows? But at the time of this video, it still hasn't hit the market yet. So initially, they started out with the invitation only. And I signed up for that. And I still haven't got a response from that yet. And I'm not sure if anybody even received an invitation version yet, because they still haven't released it. And I haven't seen any reports or any videos or anything like that that somebody received one of those Echo Auto. So in the meantime, I found some substitute products that works, I think, just as good. And the first one I found was this one by Rove. And it's called the Rove Viva. And it works pretty good. They have one that works with the Amazon Echo, and also a new version that came out that works with a Google Assistant. But this one has the Amazon Echo services built in. But I wanted to try the Amazon Input, because the Input is a smaller device. It fits anywhere inside your car right now. You can stick it to the dash or stick it somewhere where it's not in the way or it's not going to interfere with your driving ability. Because the Echo Dot is pretty chunky and you have to find a good place to put it. But this is very thin, as you can see. Very small, very thin. It doesn't have any speakers built in, so the only way to connect it to your vehicle if you're trying to do it is to connect it to the audio output jack or use Bluetooth. So these are the two products that I decided to go with. This one runs with an app, a very useful app. This one on the other end doesn't. This one works just like any Amazon Echo device. So you'd have to connect it to your Wi-Fi. In my case, my hotspot on my phone, and then you have to channel the sound either out through the Bluetooth or the audio out jack, like I said. While this one on the other end is strictly Bluetooth. But this one requires the app to keep running in order for this to work. I mean, it really relies on the app itself. So it needs your phone in order to work fully. While this one works independently, the only thing this needs is some form of internet connection, whether it's your Wi-Fi or your hotspot. So that's the difference between these two right here. This one relies on the app and this works independently. Now, even though this one needs the app, it makes it a whole lot more useful because it can access a whole lot of different apps on your phone, like Pandora, Amazon Music, and even the maps. With this one being independent also, you can access Pandora, Amazon Music, but you cannot get map information because I can ask this one for direction to the nearest gas station, and what it does, it pulls up the map app on my phone and route it through the car stereo with the sound, and it tells me turn left, turn right, because it brings up Google Map, for instance. While this one will tell me how far the nearest gas station is. So I can ask it the same question to navigate me to the nearest gas station, and all this one is going to do is tell me how far it is. So it will tell me the nearest gas station is 2.5 miles away. So as far as direction, you got this one is the winner right here. This is really going to get you to where you need to go. And you not only have to choose Google Map, you can use the Waze app too. So whichever default app program that you have on your phone, this is going to take advantage of it. Other than that, they both going to give you the information that you need. So if you need to find out what's on your calendar, the weather report and stuff like that, you're going to get that information. This one just have more flexibility to it because, like I say, it access those apps on your phone to give you the information that you need. Because this is like a remote device to the app that's running on your phone. And then because of that, you get more information on your head unit display. Like I can see who's playing on Pandora because this thing will start up Pandora, which connects to my head unit, and it shows me who's singing and all that stuff. Same thing with Amazon Music. I get to see who the artist is and everything on my head unit. This only says Echo something. So I don't get to see that information passed on from this to the head unit. So basically this is just sending the sound to the head unit and nothing else, no information. So if information is your thing, this is what you need. If you don't need the information of the artist and all of that, then go for this one. If you want to know the name of the song and the artist, you can always ask as long as you're listening to Amazon Music. If it's Pandora, you're not going to get that information. But if you need to see that information on your head unit, I know it works in my HRV. Each vehicle might be different of how the thing is displayed through your Bluetooth, but I know it works for me. You can try it for yourself, but this is where you're going to get that information from. Plus this one has 2 USB jacks so you can charge your device like your tablet and your phone. This one plugs into your cigarette lighter. And if you watch that video that I did previous on this, I can show you a different way how you can connect it if you have limited ability to reach your cigarette lighter. So check out that video if you decide to get this one. And this one is powered straight through a USB port. So if you have the connector right here that you hook up to the power source, the other end is USB, so you just have to plug that into your USB port and then it will get its powered from that USB port. So if you've been looking for a solution to substitute the fact that you're waiting on this Amazon Echo Auto and it's not on the market yet, at least at the time of this video, then this is going to be the only solution that you can use right now. You're going to get one of these inputs or get this Rove Viva. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for taking the time for watching. I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.